Good morning. This is my second video on creating a website in Drupal. The first one, I'll provide a link to that in the description. We manually installed Drupal on our web host. Now we're going to log in and begin to create content. So I'll go to the site, click login. I'm going to pause the video, enter my username and password, and then we'll get going from there. Okay, so now I've logged in. And I have a little bit of default content. So I'm going to go up to the menu bar here and click on content. A couple of types of things I can add. Let's click add content. And I'm going to add, I can either add a basic page or an article. I'm going to start with a basic page. You have to give it a title. So I'll give it about. And then I'm going to start to write about Tim Theory. So I'll just pause the video and write up a little description. All right, so I typed in a little bit of content, a few very short paragraphs. And my second paragraph, I'm explaining that timtheory.com will explore anything from Elon Musk's theory that Google's building a cybernetic organism out of the human race to whether Jimmy Dean breakfasts might extend your lifespan. And I say timtheory.com's theories might be strange, but they will get you to think. Okay, so this is obviously going to be a bit of a goofy website, but it'll be fun. A fun site to build out of Drupal. But now on this about page, one thing I should do, one thing that's good for SEO within your blog posts and pages is to link to other content on the internet. So what I want to do here is I'm going to, in a separate tab, I have Joe Rogan's interview of Elon Musk, and part of this interview he does talk about his theory about Google. So I'm going to copy that link, and then I'm going to go back, and I'm going to highlight this here. And I'm going to click on this here, which will create a link. And then I'm going to paste the URL in there and click save. Okay, and that's going to create a link right there. Now, I also am talking about whether Jimmy Dean breakfasts might extend your lifespan. So in another tab, I brought up Jimmy Dean, the website, the official website. And I'm also going to highlight Jimmy Dean breakfasts. And I'll do the same thing. And click save. Okay, so I've got a couple links that I don't have to write the HTML with href equals and then all that kind of stuff. This content management system like Joomla or WordPress will do it for me, which is great. I'm going to pause the video for a moment, and I think it's best right now if I went and got a picture. All right, so hold on one sec. Okay, so I found a good picture to go with this. So I'm going to space down here from the paragraph, and we're going to click here to add a picture. I'm going to choose the file from my desktop, and there's the picture. Okay, and I'm also going to create some alternative text. So I'm going to call it Tim Theory, and maybe I'll do a space. So that helps from the aspect of just SEO, search engine optimization. It does help to have some alternative text for your pictures. And so I'm going to do that. I'll click save. Okay, so that's going to put the picture down, and that's where I was eating some fruit stuff for kids at Beaver Creek back when I lived out in Colorado. So I've got a basic about page. It's very short, but this is just demonstrating how to create a page. Let's take a look at menu settings. So here I have the option to provide a menu link, and I do want to do that. So I'm going to click that, and I want the menu link title to be about. And then I can include a short description. Tells you a little bit about why I started timtheory.com. Okay, and then we want to have it in the main navigation. We're not going to worry about the weight right now. Let's click on URL alias. Okay, so I want to write about here because that's going to be, I want to be timtheory.com/about. So it's easy to find. Authoring information, that's not that important. Do I want it promoted to the front page? No. Do I want it sticky at the top of the list? No, that's more for individual posts. So I'm going to click save. Okay, and this is what my page will look like. Now this theme is the basic theme that comes with Drupal when you install it. We will make it look better in the future, but for right now, that's what we have. Right here, we see we have the home page is after the about page. We need to fix that as well. But this video is just about creating a simple page in Drupal, so we'll get to that at a later point. Okay, thanks for watching. If you need any more information about website design, you can take a look at my link to cat1webdesign.com, which is a company I use to design websites. And I'll provide a link for that in the description. All right, again, thank you for watching. Bye.